Hi there, Preston Salen, and today I wanted to show you how if you have pictures, photos of a house, you can make a pretty cool video and you can write on your computer real easy with something called Screencast-O-Matic. It's free. I have the paid version. I think the free one still has a little thing on it. It's really cheap though. And there's something else you can use called Snagit, but basically it records what's on your screen. So the idea is you could just go through a slideshow with the pictures, which almost every computer has like a slideshow, or even if you haven't posted online, you could do it with it online as well. So I'm going to turn this around and just point it towards my computer and show you what I'm doing. I tried to do it on a thing, but on Zoom, but it didn't show up. So I'm just going to record what's on my computer screen. So I'm going to turn it around now. All right, so I've got pictures here of my old house. So what I'm going to do is go down to my computer and open up Screencast-O-Matic. It is right here, and basically it's going to record whatever is on my screen. You'll see it pop up here in just a second. Yeah, that's where I recorded earlier. So you're going to hit the record, and what it's going to do is, see how it launched a square, which this is what we got, and then we're going to go down here and press record. So whatever's in that square will be recorded like a video. So I'm basically going to do a slideshow. So let's see what the size of this first photo is going to be. All right, so let me get rid of that. Sorry, it's just telling me. You can see my little webcam there. All right, so let's size this down to the size of the photo. All right, and we're going to hit record, and I'm just going to narrate and then go through the slideshow. Let me see if I can move that down a little bit so I can. All right, here we go. So this is recording what's on my screen. Hi, I'd like you to see my new listing here over on ABC Main Street. It's a 4-bedroom house, 2,888 square feet. This is the front entrance, front foyer area. The hardwoods have been redone. This is your formal dining room to the left if you're coming in, and to the right will be your formal living room. Now, the formal living can be converted to an office like it is right here. When we purchased the home, the people had a baby grand piano in there. It looked pretty nice. Nobody in my family could play the piano. She was actually going to give it to us, but my mom could play it. But anyway, this is a formal dining room. And then there's actually a little bit of room back here too. So if you want to put a china cabinet or a hutch, another picture of it view, and you got a front. You got one of those crepe myrtles right there in the front. This is the kitchen, which is you walk in from that formal living room right there. There's a half bath right there. And this is the kitchen. We redid it. It was all on white, white on white appliances. So we went to all stainless steel, did a double oven. We had the tile put in and granite countertops. It's one of those deals where, you did all that work and you're almost didn't want to sell it. It was so nice. A little bit closer. And again, there's our double oven. My wife always wanted a double oven. And this goes to the garage, and this goes to a little workout room, and that's the rear steps. There's actually 2 sets of steps in this house. You have the one right in the foyer, and then you have these rear steps, which is really nice. I really like having 2 sets of steps. So let's go to the next picture. This is the living room right off the kitchen. Got a quadruple window out there facing some bushes in the pool. Just another view of it showing you it's pretty roomy. Ceiling fan up top. Got a couple of columns there that I like. This is that workout room that's off the kitchen and the garage. Just a little room there. It could almost be classified as a bedroom. There's a closet here, but we use it as a workout room. This is the master bedroom. Ceiling fan, pretty large. Obviously the biggest bedroom in the house. Overlooking the front, and it stretches the whole distance of the house, and then the master bath is right connected to it right there. We redid this. We took switched out all the brass to polished metal, and then we redid the shower, got rid of the brass and went all glass, new fixtures. We're pretty proud of that, and retiled it. This is, there's 2 bedrooms on the front there. My youngest daughter's bedroom, oldest daughter's bedroom, and this is the bonus room over the garage. You come up, that's that back steps. You come up right there. There's a set of windows there, and that's another view of it. The window's back here, and these are the steps coming up, and the TV's here. Let's go to the next one. Another bedroom and laundry room. This is the upstairs hall bath, and this is the rear of the house. Got a nice little patio here, and this, you can't see it yet, but the pool is right here in front of that. And there you can see the pool, lawn furniture, pretty decent landscape. This time of year, it's, not everything's in bloom right now. Got some crepe myrtles here, and there's a hot tub. It's one of those pools with a hot tub. And you can see the hot tub here. And this is the walk from a gated fence. It is gated all the way around. So that concludes my tour of 123 Main Street. But I just wanted you guys to see what you could do. So we're going to finish this and save it. And let's save it to publish it. And that's my audio. So I wanted to just show you how you could do it really quickly. We'll come back as soon as that finishes publishing and take a look at it. So I'm going to go to Screencast-O-Matic and recording number 8. I'm sure I could have named it. So let's take a look at our...
Hi, I'd like you to see my new listing here over on ABC Main Street. It's a 4-bedroom house.
I could have done that without me talking about it there.
This is the front entrance, front foyer area.
I could have made that smaller or not been there at all.
Formal dining room to the left if you're coming in. To the right will be your formal living room. Now, the formal living can be converted.
But anyway, you get the idea. Using some photos and Screencast-O-Matic, you can make a pretty cool video. You could even do it if you have the photos online, and just as long as you can thumb through them, you can record what's on your screen. Anyway, this has been Preston Sandlin with a way you can create a little video and sort of a virtual tour or show a house. Thanks.